Hello, my name's Tyler and I'm a third-year apprentice at Doocey's. I've seen it online. I've been in college for 2 years beforehand, and I've seen it online. I went to the open day and I seen what they did and it caught my eye. Like, the whole 15-month progress I went through was really good for me. Helping you go through coursework, showing you, learning, well, teaching first. Coming out of college, not knowing really what you're doing, and then going into the apprenticeship, complete different trade of what I'm used to. It helped me massive. It helped me with my my courses and my badges like that I got going towards. They're going beyond like the specifics, like what you need to know, like the health and safety sort. So like even before we went out on site, the Sandwell college, they taught us all the importance, like PPE, all sorts, what you need to do on the job before you actually get on there. I've done some work on the HS2. A bridge diversion, relaying, I think it was 120 metres of cable. That was really good. That was one of my biggest ones. And yet again, if I never got taught all the importance of the PPE, the working surroundings, I wouldn't know. I've never worked in a team like I have now, with lads that are a lot older than you. So it's like, coming into it, you're in a different world, and they've helped you like guide through it. Like, it helps me grow up as like a man. I'm working with 40-year-olds, 30, however old they are, and yeah, I'm not used to that, you know, coming through being a teenager. So seeing the difference like that to the real world and how they've brought me through has really helped me a lot.